Hi there everyone. This is going to be a quick little video just to showcase for you one of the tools that you can use to help students whose first language is not English. It's the Google Translate tool, and it's an extension, and I'm going to put the link to it on the materials post in the coaching classroom. You can just click on Add to Chrome and it will automatically add it for you. And so, for example, here is my coaching classroom, and I've translated this whole page into Urdu. So on the left you can see all my topics. There's the name of my coaching classroom. There's the stream. There's the classwork, people. There's the Meet link. So it has all the same icons, but everything, for the most part, other than Webinar and G Suite PD, has translated into Urdu. And it's really easy to do that. You can also do it on pretty much any page. Here's also my website, again, translated into Urdu. Now note, you can't get it to translate embedded objects. So this is an embedded YouTube video, and this is embedded through Calendly, so it won't translate that. It'll only translate surface things. Here's the Toronto Star, and this is the homepage for the Toronto Star today. And again, all those articles there are in Urdu now. So the way to use it is, once you have installed the extension, you can be on your page here, and you're just basically going to right click. And the students on a Chromebook, right click is a 2-finger tap. Right click here, and you can translate to whatever language you want. Now, by default, the last language you translated to is what will show up when you right click. So notice there, it has translated the Google Classroom to Scottish Gaelic now. And if I want to bring that back to English, I just go up here on my browser bar, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to select back to English, and there I go. And I can choose almost any language that I want. I click on this, what I call the snowman, which are the 3 dots on top of each other. Click on the snowman, and I can choose another language. And there are so many different languages we can choose, all the way from Afrikaans to Chinese Simplified, Chinese Traditional, Hungarian, Irish, Malay, Punjabi, Urdu, Swedish, Zulu. Click on Zulu, translate, and there's the language Zulu, and right back to English if I want. So this is a great tool. Students can use this on their Chromebook if English isn't their first language, or if they just want to translate something into another language. Not sure French teachers are a huge fan of this, but yes, you can translate English to French and vice versa. Anyways, that's my little tip for today on how to get it so that your students can translate any page to the language of their choosing. I'm going to show a little video later on how you can get it to work for students, or how students can get it to work for themselves in a Google Meet, so that when you are speaking, the closed captioning is showing up live in the language of their own choosing. But I'll make that a separate video. Anyways, hope that little tidbit was interesting for people. As I say, I'll put the links below, and I hope everyone has a great weekend.